Welcome back to Me and You. This is COSTCO Keep or Return, where we hunt down new products, test them out, and decide, is it worth keeping or going back? It was another night out at Costco. We came for toilet paper, but somehow ended up with this in our cart. The Ugly Stik fishing kit for $99.99. We love fishing and our girls love to fish too. So this caught our attention right away. You're getting two setups here, a 6'6" medium spinning combo and a 5'6" casting combo. So that breaks down to about $50 per setup. On top of that, you're also getting a tackle box with 23 pieces of tackle to get you started. Ugly Stik is known for being durable, reliable, and super beginner friendly. So expectations are pretty solid. This is the perfect time to test it. Spring and early summer is when the fish are way more active. They begin to start feeding more and moving to shallow water. So your chances of actually catching something go way up. Shout out to Costco buyers for putting this on the floor right now. Smart move. Everybody loves unboxing. I got my helpers over here. They love fishing. What did I tell you? They can't wait to get their hands on it. And they know what they're doing. Now let's really open this up. Okay, this is the spinning combo. And this is the shorter casting combo. They come already pre-strung, so they're ready to go right out of the box. Just gotta put your tackle on, which it also comes with. And you come with your own little tackle box. So first impressions, it's actually pretty heavy. Let's compare it to something we're more used to. Our mid-tier daiwa setup. This setup is about $400. $200 for the reel, another $200 for the rod. So in my right hand, I have the daiwa setup, which is about $400. In my left hand, I have the Ugly Stik, about $50 for this setup. And the daiwa is noticeably lighter. But in this case, that extra weight from the Ugly Stik usually means it's more durable and can take a beating. The one thing to point out is that both of these Ugly Stiks are two-piece rods. So it's convenient where you can just take them apart, throw them in your car, and travel with them. But the downside is you do lose some sensitivity compared to a one-piece rod like the daiwa. And now we're ready to go fishing. With our one-piece daiwa, we'd have to fold down 2 rows of seats and have it go through the center. This one you can fit in the back of a sedan and you're ready to go fishing. Easy peasy. And we're not doing this alone. We brought in our semi-pro fisherman Nate to see what he thinks about these combos. And when we say semi-pro, that basically just means he owns more fishing gear than he actually needs. Let's hear it from him and have him break down his current setups.
The megabass destroyer, commonly known as a JDM, Japan market only. This rod goes for about $500 to $600. This reel is a Stik daiwa, about $500-600. Combo just over $1,000. This rod right here is an NRX. It's an American company. Most sensitive rods that you can get, $600-700. This reel is a daiwa exists. The highest end that daiwa makes in a spinning rod, $800 or so. This is like $1,600, $1,500.
Nate is running setups in the $1,200 to $1,600 range. So yeah, slightly different category. But even with that, he said that these Ugly Stiks at about $50 a piece are a solid value, especially for beginners and casual fishing. So you're obviously not getting pro level gear, but you're also not paying pro level prices. And for getting out there, having fun, and getting the kids into fishing, this does the job. We found the 5'6" casting setup to be perfect for our girl. This reel design is great for beginners and kids just getting started. Nate mentioned, with his pro casting reel, you gotta keep your thumb on the spool to control it when casting, or you're dealing with a bird's nest real quick. With the Ugly Stik setup, it's way simpler. Just push the button and cast. Super easy, very fail-proof, which makes it perfect for kids and anyone new to fishing. Now, let's talk about the spinning setup. The reel is actually super smooth. Yeah, it's a little on the heavier side, but that usually means one thing. It's durable. These rods aren't breaking on you anytime soon. And honestly, that's what you want, especially for kids or casual fishing. You don't want to be worrying about babying your gear the whole time. And at the end of the day, it's just fun to get out there and enjoy being outside. Fishing takes patience. A lot of the time, you might not even catch anything. But when you do, it is one of the best feelings ever. These combos are perfect for our kids, our friends, or anyone just getting into fishing. They're durable, easy to use, and you don't have to worry about someone throwing around a $1,500 setup. This is definitely a COSTCO key. So get out there, go catch some fish, because it really is one of the best feelings ever. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below on products you want us to review. All the information will be in the description box down below, and we will see you in the next one.